For the tools and techniques you need to make or repair bags, shoes, clothing, and much more, this is the Ohio Travel Bag Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to set a Chicago screw. Chicago screws are a good alternate to rivets as a less permanent fastener option. These can be opened and reattached as needed on things like belts, purses, bags, and valet trays. As always, you'll need to start by getting the right tools. We'll need a hole punch, Chicago screws, Chicago screw tool, a flathead screwdriver, and Loctite glue. We have a few style and size options. Post sizes as small as 3/16 of an inch and as large as 5/8 of an inch. Styles include open hole, flathead, and don't. We're going to cut a hole in the material. Use your Chicago screw and feed it through the hole. Use a Chicago screw tool to hold the screw in place. Use a flathead screwdriver to tighten the fastener. If you're going to make the Chicago screw permanent, use a bit of Loctite glue to hold it in place. And there you have it. That's how you set a Chicago screw. Try it for yourself. You can find all these tools and more at ohiotravelbag.com.